Okay, this is the homework statement for assignment number 6, which is in the lab to be discussed in the lab on July 8th. Now, remember that lab is run by by the GAs, and as you know that there was a power outage for the computer system at the university, and the blackboard has been inaccessible, and I don't know when it's going to go up. This being the case, the only way I can get this thing to you, or maybe the most efficient way of getting this thing to you, is to uh, put this thing on YouTube. So I'm going to go scroll this thing down, and obviously, as a video, you can stop it anywhere to make your reading, do your reading. Now, this was a problem which was assigned as a homework last year. However, it came from a previous test. Okay, so it is dealing with a four-bar linkage. It is dealing with a four-bar linkage. Four-bar linkage. You have done it. You have analyzed this thing in your machine dynamics class in your third year, fall of your third year. And some information is given here. Obviously, you're going to read it, and the dimensions are important here because we are trying to generate graphs. Now the linkage, let me see now, the linkage OA is turning at a constant angular velocity of 60 RPM. Obviously, this is a Grashof mechanism. That's why there's a linkage that can actually turn 60 degrees. And you're asked to generate a few items. This is how it was graded that year. I don't guarantee that if this problem is given this coming final, the breakage is going to be the same. However, gives you an idea. And when I gave this thing as a homework problem last year, uh, it it was assigned, the GAs are asked to mark this thing in a particular way based on this marking scheme. Now, forget about the marking scheme, because this year, obviously, what you have to do, you raise your hand, the GA will come and see whether you have put an honest effort into it. And anyway, they give you either a 1 or nothing, pretty much. However, there are some statements here that actually are going to be very beneficial for you to prepare you for the next, well, for the final exam. Okay. Now, in view of the fact that the homework is common between Lab 1 and Lab 2 in the morning and afternoon, I will just make one video segment here and post it. So this is in case Blackboard is not up. And by the way, this problem is going to be made available to you uh, 2 days before the lab. So it's going to be made public on YouTube on July 6th, and the solution to it has also been made available to you on that day. So the solution to homework 6 or lab number 6 is also made public to you on July 6th. Okay, good luck.